case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2004 case of Pennsylvania State Police v. Suders, the Supreme Court examined the burden of proof required for a sexual harassment and constructive discharge claim under the Civil Rights Act of 1964. The case arose when Nancy Drew Suders filed a claim against her supervisors at the Pennsylvania State Police, alleging severe sexual harassment that forced her to resign from her job. The Third Circuit Court of Appeals ruled that there were genuine issues regarding whether the employer effectively addressed sexual harassment claims, and held that Suders could claim constructive discharge due to the hostile work environment. However, the Supreme Court later determined that the Third Circuit erred in allowing the employer to use the Ellerth and Faragher affirmative defense when no tangible employment action was alleged. The Supreme Court ruled that employers can use an affirmative defense to avoid vicarious liability for supervisor harassment if the supervisor's conduct involved no official actions. If the plaintiff's decision to resign resulted from an official action taken by the employer is precluded from asserting the affirmative defense. However, if there was no tangible employment action and the employer proves the employee didn't do enough to stop the abuse, the Ellerth and Faragher defense can be used. Ultimately, the Supreme Court vacated the Third Circuit's judgment and remanded the case for further proceedings to assess the employer's liability and the plaintiff's efforts to mitigate harm.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.